So you're installing your brand new rear end and you need to plumb your brake lines. We have a kit that I want to show you that's going to make it a lot easier. Hi, I'm John Henson for Currie Enterprises, and today I want to go over our hose kit for your plumbing your brake lines over your rear end. We have two different versions of it. It's available in stainless and standard steel. And it's part number CE-6022 or 21. And what it's going to come with is some really useful hoses that's going to allow you to bend and plumb the brake lines over the back of your rear end. This hose here actually bolts to the third member. So when you're plumbing your brake lines over the back of your rear end and you need to tee it off and send it back up to the frame so that you can affix it to the line that goes all the way to the front of the car to your master cylinder, you can use this and it'll actually attach to the studs that come out of the housing and hold the third member on. And it's actually universal. You can move it around across the top depending on what may clear your exhaust or what might clear your suspension. Something a little bit nicer if you want to run something stainless. It's available in a -3AN, and it comes with a standard 3/16 bulkhead fitting and a T. And so this T can actually, you can pass through a bolt, affix it to your vent, or attach it to your third member. Because it's -3, you can actually remove it and install it with a separate hose or a longer hose if you needed to custom design or make your own -AN hoses. It also includes two different lengths of hard lines. One's going to be 30-inch and one's going to be 40-inch. The reason why you're going to get two different lengths is most commonly the T is either to the left or to the right on the third member. So you'll need a longer side and a shorter side on the tubes. And you can plumb that across the back of the housing, bend it to fit the housing, or if you needed to, you can cut it and flare it if you have a tube bender and a flaring tool so that it fits custom to your application. It's going to give you the clips that you need to be able to affix it from your 3/16 line to your fitting, whether you use the hose or the T-block. To purchase this hose kit, click on the link in our description. If you have any further questions about how it works, feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a question below. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe here. For more tech videos, click here. And for more Currie content, click here. Thanks for watching, guys.